Guys, welcome back to the Upgrowth YouTube channel. So let's talk about a number that should stop every SEO team in their tracks. Position 1 on Google now delivers 58% fewer clicks than it did 2 years ago. Not because your ranking dropped, not because your content got worse, because the user never reached your page. They got their answer from an AI overview, or maybe asked ChatGPT, or clicked a cited source that was not you. Today, we're walking through what actually changed in search in 2026 with real data and what you need to do about it. So, this one is AI search versus traditional search. What actually changed in 2026 data backed. So, let us understand what all we will cover in this article. First up is the overview. So we'll give you an overview of the differences between AI search versus traditional search. Then we will talk about what still works in 2026, things that haven't changed or where you shouldn't panic. Third, what actually changed, like volume, CTR, query structure. Then how the user behavior has shifted. Then we will talk about why position 1 isn't what it used to be, what's the 50% CTR collapse data behind, why the zero clicks reality and why cited brands still win, and how SEO teams should reallocate budget in 2026. Then we will cover what marketers over index on versus what actually moves the needle in 2026. Then, lastly, we will look at some questions related to AI search versus traditional search. And then, the next move, what you should do in building your strategy in 2026. And lastly, some curious mind questions. So, summary all in all, Google AI mode now has 75 million active users. Okay. ChatGPT, 2 billion queries are processed every day. 99.9% of informational keywords now trigger AI overviews. Position 1 CTR down 58%. And then winning today means optimizing just not to rank but to be used as a source in AI generated answer. That's the entire shift I can say in one sentence. Now, before the doom and gloom, now let's start where the teams need to understand that traditional search is not dead. Google still captures 91% of all search volume. Transactional and local intent queries still deliver clicks to ranking sites. Page 1 still matters a lot. What changed is not what works, it is what gets clicked. So the volume is still there, the leverage has moved. The distinction is important because you need if you need to do any drastic changes to the SEO budget, you need to know the distinction. Now let's look at the numbers. What still works? Okay, the scale of AI search in 2026 is the thing that makes this strategy conversation or a trend piece. Chat GPT, we've already talked about what numbers, queries they're processing, and then the Ahrefs data, and then the data from December 2025. 80% of the AI search result in zero clicks to organic results. So for AI overview specifically, 83%. In Google AI mode, 83%. Right? You can see it here. Now, 93% of Google AI mode queries produce zero organic results. What does that mean? Your content can be the primary source of an AI answer, but AI can be literally quoting your research, right? And you still get zero visitors. That's the reality of 2026. But you still need to appear in those overviews. You still need to rank in the Google search query. That is very much important. Then let's look at the user behavior. What has happened? Now, behavior shift is important because it explains why this isn't reversible. Users are not switching platforms, they're changing how they search entirely. Average query length in ChatGPT has grown from 12 words to 35 plus words. That means users are now articulating nuisance, context, edge cases upfront, right? Instead of typing best project management tools for remote teams and getting 10 blue links, what is happening? They're opening ChatGPT, asking, I run a remote team of 8 engineers. We ship weekly. Which tool should we use and what are the gotchas? Then they ask follow ups, challenge the recommendation, drill into implementation details. The entire research journey happens inside one AI conversation. So what is happening? People are now running parallel searches. Google for a quick fact, ChatGPT for analysis, Perplexity for current events. Your SEO strategy has to account for a user who never interacts with traditional SEO at any point in the research journey. So that should be your main goal. Now let us understand why position 1 isn't what it used to be, what has happened, how has the CTR collapsed. Now, let me give you a very gist of this. 58% CTR now has collapsed, and this is the mechanism most SEO teams haven't fully internalized yet. Now, when AI overview trigger, Google surface a synthesized answer from multiple sources, right? Now, answer now sits in a prominent box above the organic result. User will basically find their answer there only and leave, right? So there's a counterintuitive finding from Surfer SEO. 68% of pages cited in AI overviews are not in the top 10 organic results. They are something else. There are some different pages, and the top 10 are something else. So that is how you can be on position 15 but still get cited in an over AI overview that gets 50 times more visibility than an organic listing. So position 1 that used to be the goal earlier, now in 2026, citation share has become the goal, and they're not the same thing. Now let's understand what is the zero click reality here. Before that, you can also check out our article AI overviews rating 58% of your clicks. Now this goes deeper. This gives you the entire breakdown of how AI overviews are eating 58% of your clicks. Even after ranking, you're still behind. So this is really it's going to be really useful if you're trying to improve. The zero click reality is now the majority play. But here's what Seer Interactive found that changes the conversation. Pages cited in AI overviews get 35% more organic traffic and 91% more paid traffic compared to non cited pages. But cited brand also get higher brand search, volume, more mentions, more referral traffic. But even if the AI answer produces zero direct clicks from that query, the authority signal it creates, increasing your visibility across every other channel. So the brand lift from AI citation is real and measurable. You can check out the 2026 playbook linked here. Now, why this is important? If you've been only doing if you've been only doing traditional SEO so far, just ranking on Google pages, this one will help you make your entire strategy in such a way so that it really gets click, really gets those citations. So do check out this entire playbook. It is going to be really useful for you. Meanwhile, let's go back. Now, having understood everything, how GEO is taking over, how citations are important, how should team actually allocate the budget? Number one, stop. Keyword research optimized purely for top 10 position, link building for page 1 dominance. It's direct. Then stop doing that. Start doing original research and primary data that AI systems will value and cite. Clear formatting from AI native abstraction, brand building in channels where AI discovers authority signals, competitor citation analysis instead of competitor ranking analysis. Now, these two things will really help you allocate your budget in a better way. If position 1 gives you 58% fewer clicks than it used to, and 83% of your target queries don't convert to any organic click, the ROI of chasing page 1 ranking is just not making sense. So think through it, plan a strategy accordingly, and then only allocate your budget. You can check out the LLM citation share article here. Now, why, even after planning everything, going about the playbook, but still, if your competitors are getting cited and you are not, there is something really crucial here. So this article will help you understand that, like what is actually driving citation, why are you not getting cited. So go through this article if you have your geo strategy in place, but still competitors are ranking and you aren't. So let's go back. Now, over-indexed, right? Over-indexed versus what actually moves the needle. Very honest summary of where most SEO teams are versus where they need to be. Over-indexed in 2026, page 1 ranking, for head keywords, domain authority score, backlink volume, keyword density, CTR and organic ICRP itself. No, that's useless. What is moving the needle? Citation share across AI platforms, brand search volume, Original research that triggers AI overviews is the GOAT right now. So do it. The shift from ranking algorithm to building brand authority that AI system recognize and cite. Less optimize for Google, more be the source Google AI sites. That will reframe changes your brief content and what you measure and what you invest in. Now, there are some common questions regarding the search, so do check these out and explore some insights as well. Now, what you should do next, the bottom line is one of the most data heavy pieces Upgrowth has published this one. Traditional search is not dead, but the leverage has moved definitely. So, position one doesn't mean what it used to. Citation share is the new ranking. And the brands that are investing in original research, structured content, and AI citation infrastructure right now are building a 12 to 18-month advantage over competitors. Now, rebuild starts with understanding where your audience actually searches, right, and how they get answers. So, are they researching in traditional Google search, or are they doing, Chat GPT, using those platforms? To understand that, run this AI overview traffic loss calculator, which we have linked here. Do check this out. It will really help you understand how do you quantify. So you add your currently monthly organic clicks here, then you add your query mix, then you select your vertical. Let's say, let me just give you an example how this one works. Let's say my monthly organic clicks is 50,000, then 60 is my query mix. Then you will calculate your expense. Now, what is the loss? Monthly click lost 11,431, and the revenue as risk also we've given, and the exposure rate and the erosion. Now, this one is really really helpful for you to understand what you're missing out on if you're not doing AEO properly. So do check this calculator out. Link your add your numbers and find for yourself what you're missing upon. Meanwhile, let's go back. No. Having If you have understood how this all works, where you're losing at, what you should do next, full blog I'll share it in the description link. You can check it out. The budget reallocation section and the over index versus actually moving the needle are worth saving and sharing with your team. Um, there you can see an audit also here link. Just click on that and you can audit with us if you want us to audit, and we'll analyze your where your traffic is actually coming from, map your citation share across AI systems, and show you the exact ways how you can actually move the needle in 2026. Subscribe for more content like this. Drop a comment. Has your team started optimizing for AI citations yet?